UPI, Unified Payments Interface, is extremely popular, and Shopify supports it through third-party payment gateways. Shopify Payments does not natively include UPI, so you must add a compatible gateway. Recommended and most common methods: use Razorpay. Razorpay supports UPI, cards, net banking, wallets, and EMI, widely trusted. Go to Shopify Admin, Settings, Payments. Scroll to alternative payments or third-party providers. Click Choose a provider. Search for Razorpay. Official app appears first. Click Add, Install app. Authorize permissions. In Razorpay dashboard, after install, log in or create Razorpay account. Get key ID and key secret from Razorpay, dashboard, settings, API keys. Paste them into the Shopify Razorpay app settings. Save. Enable UPI specifically in Razorpay settings, usually on by default. Test mode is active. Use Razorpay test credentials to simulate UPI payments. Other strong UPI gateways: cash-free, very good UPI success rate, low fees. PayU, popular, supports UPI QR and intent. CC Avenue, reliable but older interface. Instamojo, simple for small stores. Install any of these from Shopify App Store. Follow similar steps. Connect API keys. Enable and test. In payments, toggle the gateway on. Add a test product. Go to checkout. Select UPI option. Use Test UPI ID to simulate payment. Switch to live mode in gateway settings once tested.